when you are looking at a protractor, you are not looking at right side, left side, you're looking at how an angle is opening. So if I have, and see if we can do a couple right here. Okay, so if I have an angle that the base is here on this left side and it's opening up, okay, then you're reading up to the 122. So this would be 122 degrees. You're reading that top line. So I'm going to do it here at 60 degrees, still reading the top line. If your angle is opening on the right side, then you would be reading the bottom. So that would be a 50-degree angle. I'm going to add another one here. So if my base is here, this would be a 120-degree angle, the red one. So it depends on how it's opening. You have to look at where that bottom piece of the angle is and then read up